To log in to WhatsApp without a verification code. First, access the app and enter your phone number. Wait for a few minutes or seconds, depending on your mobile network, to receive the verification code. If you don't receive the code, ensure your network connection has a strong signal, as indicated by the bars at the top right of your screen. A strong signal is crucial for receiving the verification code. Additionally, double-check that you've entered the correct phone number. If you're still unable to receive the verification code, it's best to reach out to the help center, as the verification code is a security measure to protect your account. To do this, click on the icon at the top right of the login screen. Select Help, and then choose the option to submit a ticket. Provide details such as your phone number and name, and add screenshots if necessary. Once you've entered the required information, click Next to send a ticket to the support team. They may contact you via your phone number, so be sure to wait for their response. If you're having problems logging in, this is the best method to resolve the issue. Remember to ensure a strong network signal and enter the correct phone number to receive the verification code. And if issues persist, don't hesitate to contact the support team for assistance.